Hi friends, this video shows how to reset mobile data settings and fix all mobile data issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, tap on general. Go down, go to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Here you can see reset network settings. Tap here. Enter screen lock password. Tap on reset network settings. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, apps, anything. It just reset only the network settings, including mobile data settings. Tap on this reset network settings. Tap here. Please wait. Okay, reset operation has been completed. Enter screen lock password. Done. After this reset operation, we can check mobile data. That should work. So this way we can reset mobile data settings and fix all mobile data related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.